Hey guys, thanks for joining me. If y'all are interested in learning this DIY, please stay tuned.
This is our life. You can watch if you wanna. Subscribe, mother. Hey! Hit that like button. Hit the bell, man. Hit that like button. Hit the bell, man. Hey!
Hey y'all, so I don't have to work today, and I've been looking on Facebook and Pinterest because I want to like do something for the top of my mugs. And honestly, only thing I really seen cute, really, for real, is like the toppings to, like the faux toppings. So I am gonna try to attempt a faux topping. Okay, but first, coffee. I'm working on my little display situation, so y'all will see it soon. As soon as it's complete. Have y'all tried this? This is my first time, so we shall see. Okay guys, about to taste this. I like a bit of coffee with all my creamer, you know what I mean? Oh my god, it's good. Butter toffee. I think it's like a Christmas collection mix. Really good. Yeah, go get you some. Okay, so I got most of this from Dollar Tree, to be honest. So I got this spackling. I got 3 of those. And I've been seeing like recipes on Facebook groups and stuff, so we'll see how it works. So I got these 3 from Dollar Tree. This was 50 cents. You need white acrylic paint, but I was told that you need like a thicker consistency, so they said the tube one is thicker. And I got this for like $1.99 I think at Walmart. I got this for 50 cents at Walmart. I got these are sprinkles for 97 cents in Walmart. Then I got these piping things, pipers from Dollar Tree, and this was of course 99 cents. Then my daughter found these in the party section at Walmart for like $1 something. So let's try to make it work. I got powder because I saw somebody say put powder in it to make it thicker if it's too soupy. I don't know. I'm just, you know, we just gonna work it out. So what we have to do is we have to set, I'm doing like the bake temperature. We have to set it to like 230, so it's like a low bake. Cause I hear these things dry all night if you don't. So what I got is some parchment paper. I got the cap of mason jars, and I got my little Pyrex dish, but I have it flipped upside down, so that's how I'm gonna bake it. And the cap of the the cap of the mason jars, I think fit perfectly on the top of my mugs. What y'all think? So I saw some ladies use cardboard, but I think these work I think these are better because I don't have to cut cardboard. You know, one less thing. You know, hashtag lazy life. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use this old yellowed bowl that I had for years, and I'm gonna put all this stuff in it. So I'm gonna mix the spackling and acrylic paint. So I'm just gonna try those two first and see what it turns out to be. I'll try it again. See, you see the consistency? I'm using one of my old wooden spoons I don't mind throwing away. So, this one. This is the consistency. It's like Play-Doh kind of. Stuck in there. Get it. So I think you only need 2, and then this is this acrylic. I think that's the consistency I want. Yeah, that looks like whipping cream right there. See, don't it? That looks good to good. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Kind of worked.
Mashed potatoes. That's like soft serve.
I don't know.
Right, Booth?
Let's try. Okay, there we go. Let's see. So I was told to do 1 layer. Okay. Ooh.
What is that? Oh shit! What is that?
Looks like poo.
Who you fighting?
What y'all think?
Wow.
That is not good, guys.
Probably need to take it.
This is super messy. I'm super frustrated. And yes, Lord, I don't think I'm gonna do this again, ever. Okay, here you go. real, doesn't it? Hands are crazy, but your girl got her some whipped toppings, fell style. Oh, your girl hands are real messed up, but they're dry. You know, it's like a powdery consistency. But I got 2 faux fluffs. All you can get is like out of these 3, out of those 3 containers, you can get 2 big ones. So I'm sure you can get like smaller ones out of it, but your girl was struggling. She was struggle gang. So I will come back with the finished product. I'm about to clean up and get my life back together. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, so I'm just doing a little bit of cleanup, and just be warned, you might have to throw your whole entire kitchen away.
Just throw the whole kitchen away after you're
done with making this whipped topping. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw everything away in a bag, and I just have to rebuy it, you know. All right, guys, so they actually turned out kind of cute. Saves me having to buy, I think someone is selling them for like $10 a topping or something like that. But yeah, I'm just about to add sprinkles in my straw, so we'll see. I think I should add cinnamon to that one and then just sprinkles to this one. What y'all think? It's not sticking, guys. Jesus. Perfect.
It smells so good.
This is what you're gonna have to watch out for, kids.